Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
What are we gonna do today?
We're going to open a box. This is my brother. I know.
So, ayan guys. So, dahil malapit na ang pasukan, ayan. So, i-open natin itong dalawang box na ito. Ito ay galing sa kanilang school. Ayan. Ito ay kay Clint. Ito naman para kay Bunso. Ayan. So, first day school supplies. So, open yours first, Clinton. And then after you open your box, it's Nathan's turn. Open yours first. Wait, Nate. Okay. Okay.
Paper towels. A bunch of pencils.
Just take it.
And there's some ballpoint pens.
Andito na lahat, guys. Yung nasa box ni Kuya Clint. Okay, tell me, Kuya.
So we have some
3 boxes of facial tissue.
tissues.
And
then we
2
have like towels.
paper towel.
Towels.
And then
Bags.
zipper bags.
Wipes.
Yeah,
Colored
disinfecting
pencils,
wipes.
highlighter, eraser, expo markers, glue, pencils, ballpoint pens, markers, hand sanitizer, folders.
Yeah, how many folders? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folders.
No, 6.
5 for
6. 1,
2,
2, 3,
oh yeah,
4, 5, 6.
6 folders.
And,
And then
a writing notebook.
yeah, a writing notebook.
Some
And then
crayons.
stickers.
Yeah, to put your name on it. A eraser. And some scissors.
Okay. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so now we're gonna...
Gotta open this one.
Okay. Okay, so Clinton is going to help Nathan to open his box.
Wonder what.
First day school supplies.
That's hard.
Is it hard? Let me see.
Yeah, I'm cutting here, so just keep cutting.
Oh my god. Open.
Are you done cutting it?
Alright.
I have all this.
Okay. Help him, Kuya. Show it to me. Okay, so ito na yung box ni Nathan, guys. Ngayon, ilalabas muna natin siya lahat. Ayan, meron siyang
We have glue.
yeah,
some
glow sticks and another
Bags.
zipper bags.
And we have twistable crayons.
And then that one.
And then they come out. Wipes. More twistable crayons. Markers. We have markers.
Markers.
More bags.
Okay, that's the big one. And one paper towel.
A pencil bag.
Mm-hmm.
Some scissors. Wipes. A glue. An eraser. Pencils. Markers. And
What is that?
paint.
Oh, for paint.
Crayons.
Another crayons. Another facial tissue.
And markers.
Put it there.
A pen.
And that one,
Some
another.
highlighters. An outspo and an eraser.
Okay, and at meron din siyang stickers para sa kanyang mga gamit. Ayan. So, ayan guys, ito na lahat yung nasa box. Nasa box sa first day school supplies ni Nathan. Kay Clint nito ay ano siya, 3. Tapos kay Nathan 1 lang. And then, ayan, wipes. 2. And then, ayan, zipper bags. May malaki at saka, ayan, yung isa maliit. And glue sticks. So, ayan. So, meron siyang 2 erasers. And then, kay Nathan naman, okay, Clint pala. Ito naman kay Clint. Ayan. So, ayan na lahat. So, ready na silang 2. Yeah. So, ngayon guys, dahil wala pa namang silang klase, ibabalik muna natin siya sa box. Yung kay Nathan, ganun din. Right? Babalik muna natin siya dito. Kasi wala pa silang klase. And then, you put it here, kuya. Where's the other one, kuya? Please. Okay. Is that for you? I still have here. So now, babalik natin yung kay Nathan. Dito guys ay yung school na ang nag-organize nito. Tapos, ayan, binayaran lang namin. Hindi tulad dati na kami yung nagbibigay sila ng listahan para sa mga kailangan ng bata. Tapos kami na yung bumibili. Ngayon, mas maganda yung ganito kasi, ayan, organized na sa andito na siya lahat. Ayan, good for ano na yan, whole year. So, ngayon naman kay Nathan. Good job. Let him help, kuya. This one has to be together.
Goes.
Put all the small stuff here.
Humongous.
Ang gulo eh. Good. Oh, still have paper towel, kuya. Still have paper towel, Nate.
It's a white one.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay. So, ayan, pasensya na kayo guys. Medyo bagulo. Ang gulo ng school supplies namin. So, ayan, ready na yung school supplies nila guys. And then, yung mga gamit naman nila sa school, ayan, nag-order ako ng backpack ni Clan. Tapos, si Nathan naman, mayroon siyang regalo last year na Spider-Man backpack. Finally, magagamit na niya. And then, sa sapatos naman, nag-order kami ng sapatos ni Clint. Ayan, so mayroong parating, I think darating siya ngayon. So, si Nathan naman, hindi kami nag-order kasi hindi naman siya masyadong lumalabas. So, yung sapatos niya is bago pa. And then, sa lunchbox naman nila, ayan, may nag-order ako ng lunchbox nila, guys. Hindi pa dumarating. And then, lunchbox, tapos sippy cup. Nag-order ako ng dalawa, para isa para kay kuya, tapos isa naman para kay bunso. Tapos, I think yun lang. And then, sa mga damit pala, guys, hindi na ako mag-o-order ng mga damit or shorts or t-shirts. Kasi marami pa naman yung mga shorts at saka t-shirts nila. Tapos, mga bago pa naman. So, hindi na ako mag-o-order. And then, siguro mag-order ako pag tinglamig na para fall or para pang ano na siya, pang winter na siya na damit. Pero pang summer, pasukan, hindi na muna ako magbibili ng mga bagong shorts at saka damit. Kumbaga, kung ano lang muna yung mga need talaga nila, tulad ng sapatos ni Clint, talagang sira na yung sapatos niya. Kasi nga, palagi siya nasa labas. So, kailangan talaga palitan yung kanyang sapatos. So, ayan, nag-order na. Tapos, lunchbox. So, ayan, hindi pa dumarating. Baka, yung iba parang ngayon, darating na yon. So, ayan, guys, dalawa na yung estudyante namin. So, ayan, may bago na rin akong bedtime schedule para sa kanila. Ayan, kasi kailangan silang patulugin. Ayan, kailangan silang patulugin ng 10 to 11 hours. So, dapat 8 o'clock, dapat matutulog na sila. So, 7:30, kailangan nasa bed na sila. Tapos, ayan, may time pa sila bedtime story. Mga 25 minutes. And then, may 5 minutes para mag-bathroom sila. And then, 8 o'clock, kailangan na talaga sila matulog. Kailangan ko rin matulog ng maaga. Kasi, maaga na rin akong magigising. So, syempre, mas maaga akong magigising kaysa kanila. Kasi, maghahanda ako ng mga gamit nila. Tapos, breakfast, baon nila. So, ayun. So, ayan guys, yan lang muna ngayon. Ayan. So, ayan guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta dito sa aming channel. Ayan. So, bye guys!